Some viral products from Nambuzen that I absolutely love, and no one's paying me to say this, but I don't mind if Nambuzen wanna help me restock them. Alright, let's begin. First, the number 5 vitamin C and glutathione. Talking about the toner pads, these were actually the first toner pads I ever tried, and I always thought that toner pads are just a waste of money and product, but I was wrong. These instantly brighten my face and make my skin look fresh and healthy. It's a two-sided pad, one is the jelly side and other is the exfoliating side. So use the jelly side as mini sheet mask for 5 to 10 minutes and then swipe the exfoliating side across your face and neck and use the remaining product on your hands and elbows. This really helps in getting rid of all the dead skin cells. Now the serum. It works really well on fresh red acne marks and uneven skin tone. And lately I've been struggling with hormonal acne, and these acne always leaves hyperpigmentation and acne marks on your face. But this serum and even the toner pads are really helping me to deal with these marks. It has this perfect formulation of brightening, calming, and barrier supporting ingredients all together in one bottle. Also, this opaque packaging is really good. It prevents oxidation so the color stays bright and fresh. Now coming to the number 9 NAD Plus series. Starting with this toner, it has PDRN along with NAD Plus, and while the concentration of PDRN is only around 1000 ppm, so it's not something that's going to drastically change your skin, but the formula overall is great for a toner. It's hydrating, soothing, and gives this healthy glow to your skin. Talking about the texture, it could be slightly thick for oily and acne prone skin, but people with normal or dry skin type can definitely use it. And honestly, I don't really use it because I have acne prone skin, but my mom have really dry skin, so she's the one who's using it right now. Last but not the least, the NAD Plus Essence. First of all, the texture is really unique. It has this stretchy, slightly viscous texture that feels very nourishing on the skin. Along with NAD Plus, it has 50 types of peptides and many more ingredients that focuses on hydration, barrier support, elasticity, and anti-aging benefits. So it helps the skin to look healthier, more plump, and less tired over time. Also, let me tell you one thing. I had some horizontal lines on my forehead, and since I was only 19 years old, I was pretty sure that those were not wrinkles or fine lines. So I did some research and I got to know that those were actually dehydration lines. So obviously, my first step was using an hyaluronic acid serum, but it didn't really do much for that. Then I started using this essence, and within around 10 days, those lines became barely visible. They had almost vanished. So I can assure you that this one works really well for early signs of aging, hydration, and barrier supporting. So if you are someone who wants anti-aging benefit but you cannot tolerate retinoid, then you should definitely give this one a try. So try these for yourself and let me know your opinions in the comment, and see you soon. Bye bye.